So the necessary condition for densification. In order for densification to occur, we said, okay, we are looking at how many grains come together. As well, what do we look at? 2 grains come together. And here we are illustrating the surface or interfacial energy. Here is between grain and vapor for gas phase. Okay, surface tension or surface energy going along the tangent, trying to make the surface area smaller. But at the same time, the grain boundary energy will try to shrink the grain boundary. You see what I mean? In this case, I'm talking about a local kind of equilibrium, under equilibrium condition. The grain boundary energy or the effect due to grain boundary will try to move this point which way? Towards the left. Why? Because it is grain boundary energy is trying to shrink the grain boundary area. At the same time, the surface tension or surface energy is trying to shrink surface area. So you see these two are counteracting each other. Make sense? The surface energy is trying to shrink, move this point towards the right side. Towards the right side. So under equilibrium condition, we would have this relationship. Grain boundary energy equals 2 times of gamma cosine half theta. Make sense? Cosine half theta gives me the projection here, and I'm adding 2 together for these 2 grain come together. That's under so-called quote-unquote equilibrium condition. Okay? Under the so-called necessary condition for densification. In order for densification to occur, I'm showing this. The grain boundary energy has to be smaller than 2 times of this one. The grain boundary energy has to be smaller than 2 times of this one. Otherwise, will not find an angle that meets the requirement. You see what I mean? When I move the 2 gamma to the, what this means, cosine half phi would be gamma GB divided by 2 of that. But that number has to be smaller than 1 in order to find a meaningful phi. Make sense? That's where this comes from. Okay. Otherwise, the grain boundary energy will be so high if it doesn't satisfy this relationship. The grain boundary energy will be so high that the system will not exist as individual. Prefer to exist as individual separated grains. So instead of coming together like this, the system would exist like individual particles if it doesn't satisfy this relationship. The relative energy for surface energy for grain boundary versus for the surface energy. Okay?